In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a domain to your Wix site. Whether you've already got a domain or need to purchase one, I'll guide you through the process, ensuring you set everything up correctly. So if you're ready to give your Wix website its own unique web address, let's dive right in. To start things off, you'll need to log into your Wix account. Now, using the Chrome browser is recommended here, as it's generally faster and more reliable for handling tasks like this. Once you've entered your login details and gained access to your dashboard, you'll see a number of options there. Look for the one labeled Domains. You'll find it on the left-hand side of your dashboard. Go ahead and click on that. Now, if you already have a domain you're looking to connect, you'll want to select the option that says Connect a domain you already own. This option is perfect for those of you who have your domain hosted with another provider but prefer to use it for your Wix site. However, if you don't have a domain yet and wish to purchase one directly through Wix, you can do that here as well. Wix offers a number of domain-related services, making it convenient to keep everything in one place if you're starting from scratch. For those connecting an external domain, you'll have some guided steps to follow. These steps will help you update your domain's DNS settings. DNS, short for a domain name system, basically translates your web URL into an IP address so that browsers can load your internet pages correctly. It's important to follow these instructions carefully. Make sure you have access to your domain host's settings because you'll be switching some records around to point your domain towards your Wix site. It might sound a little technical, but don't worry. Wix provides a clear, easy to follow guide to walk you through this part, emphasizing accuracy and detail to ensure everything is set up correctly. Once you've configured those settings, you'll need to verify the connection. This is a crucial step because it confirms that your domain is now pointing to your Wix site. After verifying, you'll be able to set this domain as your primary one. By doing this, it means whenever someone types in your domain name, they'll end up at your Wix site. Finally, don't forget to save any changes you've made throughout this process. Once saved, go ahead and publish your website to integrate the domain update. Publishing is key as it ensures that your site is live and accessible via the new domain you've connected. And there you have it. You've successfully linked a domain to your Wix site, giving your visitors a professional address to visit. Thank you for joining in today and happy website managing.